Alright, so we hopping straight into this POV. Got the 2025 Nissan. Shit does have keyless start. Start the motherfucker with the key. I was already up in this motherfucker, as you can see. Hopefully the air won't be too loud on me. You feel me? In this hot ass city right now. Be outside, it's a movie. If you know me, you know me. It's a Zuvi. A Zuvivi. So y'all just can see. Does have push to start. Got park drive, reverse neutral luxury. Need an oil change. That ain't my business. Miles on a gallon is pretty good with the gas. Like $55 to fill this motherfucker up. So we got the old black on black. I'll show y'all the under the hood real quick before we really get into this POV. I know y'all ready for the POV. Got the 4-cylinder engine, most likely V6. Pretty much brand new. This is 2025, so like I ain't even gotta show y'all too much. That shit hot as hell. That's why I really don't want to show you that shit. But yeah, where we at right now, it's over 100 degrees outside. We in Mexico somewhere, y'all. Put the seatbelt on for y'all. Get in my comment section. Shine. Back up out this motherfucker. Let's get straight to it. Like I said, where we at, it's 100 degrees. I'm gonna show y'all luxury mode and I'm gonna show y'all regular drive mode. As most probably don't know, this is a 2.5 liter 4-cylinder turbocharged engine. I don't know, I ain't see no motherfucking turbo under that motherfucker. I ain't gonna lie. Word. As y'all know, most Nissans used to have the push start right here. Or before that, I just had the key fob. This is a CVT transmission. Y'all know Nissans are known for the fake bad transmission. So CVT, I think they probably did a little better this time. Gonna drive. I don't know exactly where we gonna go yet. Cause I don't even have my other phone for GPS for real. So I'm really just gonna be driving, like trying to get pulls in. Show you how I drive. Cause the drive pretty smooth to me. Not gonna lie. Y'all can see as last year, do have the touch screen. Feel me? Trying to drive in and show you at the same time. Gonna get up out here on this highway real quick. Well, this little intersection shit. Another Nissan on the road right there, but it's not a 2025 most likely. Got 10,000 miles. We just had 9,000 miles yesterday, but you feel me? Had to take me a little drive 4 hours away. So that's what that looked like. And we're gonna go this way because I think I know where I'm going. I'm gonna show y'all into a nice like area, some big ass cribs and shit. It does have Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, whatever that shit is called. Get up on that thing. Get up in there. Get up in there, shorty. Woo! Woo! Pick up pretty nice to me. I don't know about you guys. I know probably like, oh, Nissan, trash, da-da-da. I ain't gonna lie, it's a car. That's first off. It's a 2025. So whoever get in my comment section on, you feel me? I know y'all gonna say some BS already. Yeah, definitely gonna say some BS. Put the steering wheel up for y'all. Cause you about to blow my high. I'm about to smoke some shit. Had to put the camera down right there cause the cops is right there. No way, Jose. Not today. Today is not the motherfucking day. Don't blow my high cause I'm about to smoke some shit. I'm gonna put it in luxury mode for y'all. Let me, I don't know, like it be on 5 RPMs already. And I don't like how that shit sound. Like, hear it? They got that car with the drive itself over there, the Jaggy. Somebody about to get picked up. Sound like you stuck in a gear when you driving this mode, but this shit gassy, geeky, geek. Got a little, what's this, like wood looking plastic? It's nice, I ain't gonna lie. Everything is pretty clean to me, like They're probably gonna think it's the same. Me in Mexico right now too, y'all. So don't troll me. On this newer one, it does have these side like assists. Like if a car is coming on this side, lane assist, adaptive assist, whatever it's called. I don't know exactly the terminology for it, but it's on both sides. Like it does light up when somebody's like driving on my side or something. It does have to like lane assist. It does have cruise control. I pretty much like it. A little glove department right here. Nice space, nice space, nice space. Everything is nice to me. Clean, clean, clean. 2025. Told to me nice. We're on a back block in Mexico. This is in luxury mode. See how fast this shit get up? Oh my goodness. I wanted to drive by some mansions. Show you a little something. Oh, it's not even in luxury mode. When it's in luxury mode, I think that motherfucker wastes more gas. Y'all let me know something. What's that about? What? I don't like that for. I don't like that at all. I'm about to blow my and smoke some shit. We're in a residential neighborhood right now. I don't wanna go crazy. I don't wanna go too crazy at that. Like, matter of fact, I'm about to find a location to go to. I got y'all right now. Yeah, we in Mexico. About to. I got it for y'all right now. At 3 lights, I gotta make a left. I just about to blow my high. Got the nice Nissan 2025. Like, it ride real smooth to me. Like, respectfully, this is a road car. They changed the seats. Use some good, comfy seats now that they got in here. Respectfully. Can't even show that. Got the golf course over here. But it's really about the car. This video is really about the car. Like, for all the people that's trying to buy this car, thinking about buying this car, what I recommend, I don't know, it depends on what you're going for. If you're going for a calm, classic car, this is one of the ones to get. I don't know how much it's running for, really. Probably like a 30 ball, 2025. Probably like a 30 ball. Like, with low miles, I can see this for a 30 ball. Gotta make a left up here. Might have to, you feel me? A lot of cuts and shit, cause that's what I gotta do. Drop down in the comment section if you test drove one already and how you feel about it and what you recommend. Cause niggas be about to blow my high, trying to smoke some shit. And even with the lane shit, the shit pops up at the bottom and the car start like pulling a little bit. In this nice ass neighborhood right now. Give me 1 second. Real, y'all see what's going on. We're in the middle of this shit. Sahara Desert. Sahara sand up this motherfucker. Got horses right there. Oh, you feel that? Oh, no, I think that's a shit on the floor, but if I could show y'all, look. This shit right there is blinking. That's for the lane assist switch. I mean, lane assist shit. Damn, I can't tell fucking straight.